Your bathroom mirror sees the truth that marketing departments want to ignore. You spend $40 on a tube of hope only to find it smeared on your coffee cup 20 minutes later. That is the exact tension we find ourselves in with the Kivora Signature Lipstick. It makes these massive promises about being a premium, top tier product. They talk about rich color and a finish that stays comfortable until the sun goes down. But we have been down this road before. Most modern lipsticks can deliver on the color part. That is the easy part. You swipe it on and it looks fantastic for the first 5 minutes. The pigment is bold. It looks vibrant. It makes you feel like you are ready to conquer the world. This specific formula is incredibly smooth too. It glides on without tugging at your skin. That is a huge plus for anyone who's always running 5 minutes late. You do not want to be fighting with a dry pencil or a patchy liquid when the taxi is waiting outside. However, this is exactly where the honeymoon phase starts to crumble into reality. The marketing team wants you to believe that long-lasting means it is glued to your face. They want you to think it is bulletproof. That is just not how physics works. If you eat a salad with dressing or take a sip of a hot latte, that color is going to migrate. It is going to fade. It is going to leave a ghost of itself on the rim of your glass. The biggest issue with these premium brands is the exaggeration of the smudge-proof claim. They use these fancy words to make you think you can live your life without a care. In reality, results are going to vary wildly depending on your own lip type. What feels like a moisturizing dream for your best friend might feel like a desert for you. Your skin chemistry matters more than the glossy ad in a magazine. We have to stop falling for the idea of a flawless all-day performance without any effort. If you buy this lipstick, you have to go in with your eyes wide open. Do not expect to go 8 hours without a touch-up. You will need to keep that tube in your bag. You will need to check the mirror after lunch. It is a good product for everyday wear if you like the shade range. It delivers on the promise of a smooth application. It looks expensive on the lips, but it is not a miracle in a tube. It is just makeup. We get so caught up in the hype that we forget these are just pigments suspended in wax and oil. They are subject to the laws of friction and moisture. If you can accept that you will need to reapply it a few times a day, then you might actually enjoy the experience. Just stop expecting it to survive a 3-course meal. It won't. And that is okay as long as you know what you are paying for. We deserve honesty from these brands. We deserve to know that our morning routine will probably need a refresh by noon. The color payoff is truly striking though. I will give them that. It stands out in a crowded market of dull mattas. But the gap between the marketing and the actual wear time is where the frustration lives. Think about the last time a brand promised you the world. They use words like signature and premium to justify a higher price tag. They want you to feel like you are part of an exclusive club. But once that product hits your lips, the labels do not matter. Only the performance matters. If it feels heavy or sticky, you will hate it regardless of the name on the box. This formula tries to walk the line between comfort and staying power. It is a difficult balance to strike. Most brands lean too far one way. Either it is so comfortable that it slides right off, or it stays forever but feels like cracked paint. This one sits right in the middle. It is comfortable, yes. It looks amazing, absolutely. But the longevity is where the story gets a bit tall. You have to be okay with the maintenance. You have to be okay with the fact that the bold red or deep plum you started with will need a boost after your afternoon coffee. If you go into it with that mindset, you will avoid the disappointment that usually follows these big marketing campaigns. Ground your expectations in the real world where we talk, eat, and move. That is where the true test of any beauty product happens. Not in a studio under perfect lights, but in your real messy life.